Hi everyone, I'm Blake Kelly, VP of National Sales at Rose Paving. I'm here to personally invite you to the demo lab we're hosting in Orlando at Connex on April 22nd. We're taking you out of the boardroom and off the trade show floor to talk through asphalt repairs. Everything from scoping to vendor selection, proper means and methods, what to look out for, all while keeping your business fully operational and keeping your customers safe. We will have our best-in-class self-performing crews on site to talk through every step of the process and answer any questions you have. We're going to have a great morning, 10 a.m., April 22nd. I look forward to seeing everyone there. Thanks.